Do you know how Khatu Sham came to Rajasthan? Stay till the end. Khatu Sham is worshipped without a body, and that is the key to how he came to Rajasthan. Long before this land was called Rajasthan, long before Khatu became a place of faith, there was a battlefield waiting to happen, Kurukshetra, and there was a warrior who would never fight that war. His name was Barbarika, the grandson of Bhima, the son of Ghatotkacha. Barbarika was not an ordinary warrior. He possessed 3 divine arrows, each powerful enough to decide the fate of an entire army. But Barbarika made a vow: I will always fight for the weaker side. When Krishna heard this, he understood the danger. In the Mahabharata war, the weaker side would keep changing, and Barbarika's power would destroy everyone. So Krishna stopped him, not with a weapon, but with a question. Will you give me your head? Barbarika did not hesitate. He asked only one thing: let me watch the war. Krishna agreed. Barbarika offered his head willingly, not in defeat, but in complete devotion. His head was placed on a hill overlooking Kurukshetra. From there, he witnessed the entire war. When the war ended, Krishna asked him, who won the Mahabharata? Barbarika replied, I saw no one killing, only your Sudarshan Chakra. Moved by this truth, Krishna granted him a boon. In Kali Yuga, when suffering is greatest, you will be worshipped in my name. You will be called Shyam. Then Krishna did something extraordinary. He immersed Barbarika's blessed head into the sacred Rupavati river. With that blessing, the head did not disappear. It waited, carried by water, carried by time, hidden beneath the earth. Centuries passed, and as the world descended into Kali Yuga, far away from Kurukshetra, in a quiet village in Rajasthan, something unusual began to happen. A cow walked to the same spot every day and offered her milk to the ground. When villagers dug the earth, they found something glowing. Not a body, a living head, the sheesh of Khatu Sham. That is why at Khatu Sham temple, Sham is worshipped exactly as he was, a sacrifice, not a sword. Khatu Sham did not come to Rajasthan by chance. He arrived by promise. And that is why devotees call him Sheesh Ke Dani Hare Ka Sahara, because the one who gave up everything before the war began stands with you when your battle begins. If this story stayed with you, comment Jai Shyam Baba and follow Temple Girl to know the real stories behind our ancient temples.